Today we have a new dish. We need 800 grams of chicken thigh. For marinating, half a cup of thick yogurt, 1 tablespoon each of grated ginger, grated garlic, and Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, black pepper, and salt, garam masala, and coriander powder, mint, cilantro, and fried onions, 1 lemon and oil. Mix everything and let chicken marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. Soak the rice for 30 minutes and bring a pot of water to a boil. Add cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, and salt to the boiling water. Half cook the rice, then drain it and set aside. Now let's start layering. Add a little oil to the bottom of the pot. Spread half of the marinated chicken, then add half of the partially cooked rice on top. Sprinkle fried onions, mint, cilantro, and saffron. Then repeat the layers. Cover the lid. Cook for 10 minutes on high heat, then 40 minutes on very low heat. Garnish with fried onions, cilantro, mint, and lemon. Enjoy your delicious biryani. Spices, heat, chaos. India wakes up the ghost. Can you handle what's next? Support the channel by subscribing and leaving comments. And also watch my previous videos to the end. You will be surprised by my gifts.